Hello boys and girls, Elton here. So yeah, I just finished this baby up last night. I'm lying down on the grass here in the park near my place, and the sun is going away, unfortunately. Anyway, whatever, I do what I can. I don't do miracles. That's God's department. And yeah, she's looking sweet, man. I'm very happy with the results. As a perfectionist as I am, it's not perfect by no means, but again, I can't stress enough, I'm not a professional modeler. And this is not an exact copy of a stock car. This is more of a generic tribute type car. The number 6 doesn't mean anything. Like I mentioned in my last video when I started this, the rims are not standard with this Revell kit. They came from an AMT 57 Chevy. Again, when I started making this, I don't know, I got the yearning to make it a stock car, you know, with all the decals and everything. And as true as the quality of the Revell kit shows, its parts go together really well. Very satisfied with it. We're just a block from my place here in the Hochelaga sector of the city. And that wing comes in 3 pieces. Some guy's walking his dog there. I was actually going to do this in the alleyway of my apartment, which is right over there towards where that guy's walking, but there was some yabbering there from the building next to mine, and I thought, well, that's just going to throw me off totally, you know what I mean? So, show you the inside a bit. Nothing amazing. I forgot to mention that one thing that was a real annoyance was that, believe it or not, I lost the goddamn glass. The windows, which is all one piece. So what I had to do is I took the windows from a 70 Charger that a friend of mine gave me, which if you look really closely is actually too small. It's like 1/25 scale, whereas this is 1/24 scale, so it's just slightly larger. And the back glass, which was too small, I had to, thanks to Ed for this idea, I took some like, you know, that kind of clear plastic covering for, like, you know, a friggin' you know, like sleeves for like protecting things, you know, like sheets and all that, whatever, ads, whatever, and cut a piece out of that with a masking tape, and bing bada bing bada boom, you know. But I'm gonna try to find somewhere else to make this a little bit nicer though. Oh, that looks a bit cooler, eh? Looks a little more realistic. Now I have to say though that this week for me has been like not good health-wise. The pericarditis really came back as I went on a major bike ride last Saturday, today being Friday the 10th of September. And did I ever freaking pay the price for that, let me tell you. So I managed to, nevertheless, since I've been resting for the last 2 days, I haven't gone to film anything. Boy, that really looks cool, eh? So I took the time, I said, you know what, I'm okay when I'm not, you know, moving around too much. I'm just sitting in my chair. I said, I'll finish this thing. I want to get her done. Very important in life, when you start something, you got to finish it. Nobody's going to respect anything that, nobody's going to respect anybody trying to, you know, starting something and not completing it. You know what I mean? So anyway, it looks awesome. The engine, well, you've probably seen the last video. And look, actually, this is one of the few models I've ever actually built where the hood actually closes almost perfectly. Usually they're misaligned because it's plastic, you know. But anyway, the engine is nothing special really. And there's the underneath 426 cubic inch V8, greatest Hemi of all. I don't know why I didn't realize that it was a 426 when I got it from Ed, who gave it to me. You know, it's funny, I don't know whether I like this model more from the rear or from the front. Actually, I think it actually looks better in the shade. That's what's funny about it. I don't know why. You know? Yeah. Trying to think of anything else I might have forgot to mention about this. And there's a fire truck responding. Is he coming this way? I guess that's about it. Next project, stay tuned. I got another model lined up in my mind. I'm going to make there sometime soon. Give you an idea, I had to buy some oven cleaner for it. So if you build models heavily, then you know what I mean. And Ed, thanks again for giving me this model. It's really an amazing, it's It's a masterpiece, you know. They only built these really for stock car, and then they got the idea to try to sell them, and the dealers, they couldn't sell them. Nobody wanted them. So they were almost worthless as time went on, and now they're worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know, maybe even more, I don't know. So thanks again for watching, guys. That's it. Take care, stay tuned, and let this be an inspiration to you to, you know, start something, build something, make it happen, you know. And oh yeah, by the way, the glass, that includes also the underneath there, the turn signals. I didn't have them, so I just painted black, and the decals all went on really awesomely. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, be well, stay safe, be nice to each other, and respect yourself, and don't take any shit from anybody.